sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
Pretty. Ready?
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Ryan for the rescue. It's alright, man, I got you.
Come on.
Come this way though, buddy. Come on. Stay. Alright, come. Alright, look at that. That's gold class. Oh. Good morning, Brittany. Where'd you buy that?
5-finger discount.
We found it. Just to give a special thanks to the boat who lost their little floaty device.
In a storm.
In a storm. We did. We actually tried to return it, but they said it wasn't theirs, so it could have been floating for hours. So we didn't steal it on purpose. Didn't we, Jackson?
Floaty's funny though. And then I'm not.
Alright, I'm gonna go clean the boat because apparently there's a lot of barnacles stuck to it.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
I really like this. No, you could hear me breathing.
You bobbing back up to
Yeah.
the surface.
Hey bud, what's wrong? He wants brekkie. Where are we going?
Croatia.
You three sexy people. What island's this called again? Yeah, that's the one. So, so this is my favorite anchorage.
Go there when we're not there because we don't want you to steal our spot.
Jackson did his morning poo and I had a day off walking him to the beach. So I got a windless day here in Croatia. Wayne's skippering. Debbie's on the phone. I'm doing nothing. Jackson's always where there's food. What's Brittany doing?
Yeah, Brittany's making a platter.
The guys loved Korčula or Košela or Košula. So we're heading back there because they really enjoyed it. When Brittany drives me up the wall, this is my little hangout. This is the man cave. Everybody should have a man cave. I'm just joking, Brittany, you don't drive me up the wall. Jackson wants to come to the man cave right now. Hey buddy. Put up to our anchorage. Go mate. Hey buddy.
This is good, there's no steer.
I swear, he's like having a little child on board. It's like a little kid that I gotta keep tabs on.
Come here.
What are you doing up there? Just hit nut height and it's really cold. Once you get past it, it's good. Jackson, come on, get past the balls, mate. It's cold. Yeah, he doesn't have balls, does he? So he shouldn't have a problem getting in. That's sad. Jackson, you don't have any nuts. You'll never know the feeling of hopping in cold water.
That's a very big stick, Jackson.
Good boy, mate. We're gonna stay here. Stay there. It's okay. They're gonna go get food. Bourbon? Bourbon?
Stop. It's okay.
Jackson gets a little upset when Brittany leaves. I hope you do this when I leave. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, mate. It's okay. Boys' time now. Father and son. Come on, mate. Boy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Now, I know what we can do. I'm going to give you some junk food. Look at that. Mum's not your favourite anymore, is she? Sit. Down. Up. Spin. Okay, get back. Good boy. Sit. Jackson. Look. Good boy. And, oh my goodness, I'm gonna eat these. This isn't a sponsored ad by Milka, but I just love their chocolate. But I would love it to be a sponsored ad, so Milka, send me the chocolate. I'll eat it for you on camera. You can't have this though. Whatever junk food is Mum hiding from us. Yes! 2-minute noodles.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
I've literally been laying in bed listening to you guys comment on some naked fishermen for like 2 hours. I know exactly what's happening just from listening to you guys.
There's a bunch of naked fishermen.
I know, and once again, you got the binocular out, zooming on their nuts.
Yep.
Naked fishing.
So this has been our morning entertainment. Those guys are getting quite the show at the catamaran. The captain's sleeping at the wheel. Dad's officially graduated from motorboater to sailor.
And look, we're not leaving.
Yeah. Not much, at least.
I got electric winches too.
What are you doing?
Fixing my thing. Watch out, buddy. Jackson, come on, mate. Come on. I just took you to the beach.
We're coming in from the wind. We're sick of it. They're all heading out to the wind. That's it.
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like that.